Sorry guys, that was a misuse at this station there. Misuse, that was a black car there, so I didn't get it on video. Yeah, let me just zoom out.
What's your new channel name?
Harbeymoob, Level Crossings, Trains and Gaming. That's what it is. It's only my display name that's changed.
Yeah, I know.
Because I wasn't happy with it. I was talking to Christopher guys, and then the crossing just ran deactivated and there was a misuse. Did you get my swear word on camera?
No.
Good. Oh yeah, Farncombe alarms have gone more high pitched, and the barriers are wear and tear at Farncombe West. If you've seen that video, and the skirting's shaking again.
Yeah, I have.
What's with the barriers going wear and tear so early? I don't know. I don't get it.
It's these Alston, because none other.
I want to go to Broomfleet.
Broomfleet? Why?
Broomfleet in Yorkshire because it's got the Alston alarms.
They're not Alston alarms. They are someone else.
That guy was not waiting, was he?
No.
He was like, I'm just going to go straight across and not give a flying crap.
No, that's because of they know how long they have to wait.
Well, he's going to get fined for that.
No, he won't.
No, because that will read the licence plate. That should have caught it.
No.
It does.
It doesn't.
It needs the sensors, that's what it needs. It needs the OD1 sensors here. That will stop the barriers. Either way, it does stop the barriers no matter what. Any system stops it, but it can also do some really stupid things. The thing with the sensors is they sometimes never open. Like Benazers did that. It didn't open the sensors, so the barriers couldn't go down at all. Because someone posted it on their shorts.
Yeah. It's nearly here because they just playing the announcement. And there it is.
What is this class number?
444006.
444-002.
No, 6.
Oh, sorry, 444-006. Thanks, Christopher. It's been a while since we've done a video together. 444-0... It's not going to fit.
It never fits.
Only 8 cars can fit. That was a weird noise. That what it just did.
Well, that's because
I find this uncomfortable holding my phone like this. That's why I use a tripod.
and there's barely anyone on it.
Because of how late it is. I hope my train's not late to Lancing. You can try come to Lancing from Billingshurst to Barnum if you want. I'm sure your dad won't mind.
Just I don't have money to get from.
How much is it from
Lancing
Billingshurst?
to Billingshurst.
How much is that?
I'll find out after this train leaves. The cross-country service has been cancelled tonight.
Oh. Oh God.
Low.
Train's leaving to London Waterloo. Delayed by 48 minutes, nearly an hour. Hope sparks.
Oh, not loss of power and signalling equipment.
Oh, there we go. I was about to say we're stuck. No, we're not.
And I'll see you later. Goodbye.
See you later. Bye. Here it comes. 2054 to Portsmouth Harbour. 450 113. 450 002. 450 125. From London Waterloo to Portsmouth Harbour. Up go the barriers.
That feels nice. It feels like London Underground station actually. Going into recording.
This one's well slow. These barriers are probably becoming wear and tear again by the looks of it. This one here, I shouldn't be touching them, but because this one here is becoming wear and tear by the looks of it, because it's gotten slower and slower. I think eventually it's going to get stuck up in the air and not refuse to come down. Oh, there's birds there, look. Oh, satisfying ASMR. Bit of an early closure.
Oh, they find the capital when you're thinking it's just a bunch of
And I'm here with Clousure Vlogs and Gaming. Christopher, you know the two wigwags at Farncombe East, they're in sync.
wow.
But the one, that light there, so you got the wigwags there, this one's out of sync with the top one. I'm not sure about the others being in sync. Is it stopping? Seriously, we have to hear that nonsense? Okay, very cool. Is it passing? Where are you going, Christopher? Where are you going? Oh, it's stopping. Here it comes. Sorry, I've just got a cough. Do you want to stand next to me, or do you want to stand here, or?
I'll stand here.
That's fine. Some OD crossings are very sensitive, like the one at Blankley level crossing, that's very sensitive. Some of them are not as sensitive. I don't think this one's as sensitive, you being on this side, but for the inside it's very sensitive. Even like high weather can make it go up. They need to fix that or something, or I don't think they can. Yeah, it's mid.
So is this the last train of the day for me and Harvey?
Yep, because I'm not staying for that 52 because I've got to go home.
And also that might get delayed.
Yeah, and plus I've got school tomorrow, so you don't, so you're lucky. You staying at home tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow?
At home. Yeah, the 21:52 to London Waterloo is cancelled. 22:16 is cancelled.
Bloody hell, that's ridiculous.
So this is the last train.
Yeah,
For at least for 2 hours.
for 2 hours exact. Insane. You would not. Them lot are going to be waiting up there for 2 hours just to get the train back.
What?
Them guys over there we spoke to earlier, they're going to be waiting for 2
No,
hours.
they went home.
Oh, did they? Oh, fair enough.
No, they possibly went over there to call a taxi.
Oh, probably. Oh, missed the train. Do you like the old South Western Railway colours?
Do you mean the Southwest trains colours?
Yeah,
Yes.
they were good, weren't they?
Wow, the old stagecoach colours.
Yeah.
No, this train is early.
That's why it's sitting there for so long. You going on the station? Oh, you're just standing there. Where are you going? Oh, Christopher's going a bit, I think. He's going on the station. You going on the station? Or... all lights are out of sync, look. Oh, train's about to leave. Sat there for like I don't know, 3 minutes, something like that. It was about 3 minutes. Yeah, the crossing was down for 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 5 minutes and 34 seconds we've been down for. Train's leaving.
450.
450, 018. Is this a 12? 450, 066. 12. 450, 076. Is this 076? Yeah, okay. Off it goes to Portsmouth Harbour. It sat there for like 5 minutes or 3 minutes, something like that. Sat there for like 3 or 4 minutes. Up we go. Lights out. Oh, lights out. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.